Okay, I'm going to take you through how I repaired a cracked water line in an LG refrigerator. The water line goes into the freezer side of the door. The water line inside is taped to the door. It's foamed in. There's a coupler up there. There's really no easy way to change it. And in my particular model, the only way to fix it was to get a new door. They don't even make on this one anymore. The model's about 10 years old. Aftermarket, it was $400 or $500, so I wasn't interested in it. I had the water line cracked right about there, about a 1/4 inch, coming out of the door. And you can see what I've got here. And this method has worked quite well. I've had this up for a week now and haven't had a drop. And the water's running through the ice dispenser, in the water dispenser. I mean, no problem. So I'll take you through the materials. And I mean, what I essentially did was rig a homemade coupler. Okay, here's what I have in terms of materials. There is 5/16 outer diameter. I'm sorry, 5/16 inside diameter clear vinyl tubing. Then I've got standard water line 5/16 outside diameter, 3/16 inside diameter. A fuel line tubing, which is used on some two-cycle or two-stroke equipment, and that is 3/16 outside diameter, and an 8 to 12 millimeter hose clamp. Okay, your lengths that you use are obviously going to be longer. I just put this together here so you can see the pieces that I used. As I said, I had about a 1/4 inch coming out of the refrigerator, okay? So let's put that there. Let me see that. So I really didn't have much to work with. I mean, not much certainly not enough to get it into a coupler. So here's what I did. I took this. This is the line coming out of this is inside. Consider my fingers, inside the freezer. So what I did was I took the fuel line, the 3/16 outside diameter, and I pushed it up into the refrigerator line, or the water line that's in the door. Again, probably a couple of inches is more than enough. Then I took the 5/16 inside diameter clear vinyl tubing, and I just pushed that up into the refrigerator. It goes fairly smooth. I know there's going to be a little bit of a gap, and water molecules will find their way around, but that's okay. I mean, this is the piece that's going to let me join the others. Okay, so you can see clear vinyl, the inside water line that is existing in the LG freezer door, and then the 3/16 fuel line, 3/16 outer diameter that I put up into that water line. Then once I have that, you can see, I'm able to now take a piece of water line replacement, the 3/16 inner diameter, 5/16 outer diameter water line replacement. I would put a little bit of epoxy around here just to hold everything together. Okay, so again, this is what's going up into the freezer door. Again, I started with the fuel line, putting that in the existing broken water line. I put a 5/16 clear vinyl tubing, 5/16 inner diameter around it. That allows me to couple to the water line that goes to the coupling on the refrigerator. And now I have enough sticking out that I just put my hose clamp around and seal all this off. So that's what it ultimately looks like. The repair is less than than $10, and it works. It's been working for a week. I have not had an issue. So that's what it is. If you got any questions, let me know. Thanks.